Let me know which of these products you're going to be trying in the comment section, and let me know which one you're currently using. Once the Harmattan season starts, a lot of us begin to get darker. Like the products that you were using before, you'll now be wondering, what is happening? You'll notice that it's like the products are not working any longer. So guys, on this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a 3 to 4 step body routine that you can do in order to, keep up with the weather. This routine is going to help to, brighten your skin. A lot of people are already complaining that they're getting darker already. This routine I'm about to share with you guys is going to help to brighten your skin. Guys, it's going to help to give you that even glow skin, especially those that have a dry skin. It's going to help to keep your skin well hydrated all day. So you want to watch this video to the end. Now let's dive straight into it. The first thing you're going to be needing in this routine is bar soaps, and you're going to be getting 2 bar soaps. One of the bar soaps will be for your morning routine, and the other bar soap will be for your night routine. For your morning routine, guys, are you seeing this Eva Baby bar soap? Guys, I wish I knew about this soap earlier. You guys know that initially I've been talking about the Cussons Baby bar soap, the blue one to be precise, because the pink one broke me out and a lot of other people out, but the bar soap is more friendlier on the skin. Then recently, guys, I discovered this Eva Baby soap. Guys, this soap is very, very nice. Like, go and get this soap, guys. Are you seeing it? If you're looking for a very good body bar soap, a moisturizing bar soap that you'll be using in your morning routine, guys, get this Eva bar soap. This soap is going to help to gently cleanse your skin. Guys, look at it very well. Just get it and thank me later. So we're going to be pairing this bar soap with the Asantee bar soap. This will be the bar soap we'll be using in the morning, and this one will be the one we'll be using in the night. Why? Because this is an exfoliating bar soap. This one contains AHA and BHA, and if you notice, some of you will start using this soap. Initially it will look good on your skin, but later, especially those with sensitive skin, at the long run, you will now notice that it's beginning to irritate your skin. Some people even notice some rash or something like a kind of eczema or pigmentation on their body. This honey and papaya bar soap should not be used every day because it contains alpha hydroxyl acid and beta hydroxyl acid. It's better you get a morning soap. If you know your skin is not sensitive, you can use this and get away with it. Like, you can use it morning and night and get away with it. But to be on the safer side, I would always advise you get a bar soap, a simple one. This bar soap is not expensive, guys. You can get this for as low as 700 naira. This one is 3,000 naira. If you can afford the kojie sand soap, the original one, please, not the one that you guys buy 2,000 naira. Look at the original one that they sell 6,000 to 7,000 naira. Get this one. If you can't get this, instead of buying that fake one that they normally sell 2,000 to 2,500, please, it's better you just get this Asantee bar soap and you are good to go. Now, the next thing we're going to be needing in this skin glowing and brightening routine is, of course, our scrub. Guys, are you seeing this scrub? This Dr. Meinaier scrub, Dr. Meinaier sugar and alpha arbutin scrub. Guys, this scrub is very good. This scrub is going to help to brighten your skin. It's also going to help you get rid of the dead skin cells at the surface level of your skin. Trust me, any skincare routine you're doing, if you are not exfoliating, you are wasting your time, guys. Look at it. You can get this scrub for as low as 8,000 naira to 8,500 naira, depending on where you're buying from. Look at it, guys. This scrub is very, very, very good. And another thing you should take note of is you don't exfoliate every day. You just need to exfoliate at least twice in a week and make sure there are gaps in between. You can decide to be exfoliating your skin on Mondays and Thursdays, depending on how you want to arrange your routine, and you are good to go. Guys, the next thing we're going to be needing in this routine is, of course, body lotions. And when it comes to body lotion, guys, look at this. I always recommend this. Are you seeing this? I've used so many vitamin C body lotion, but you see this Garnier vitamin C body lotion. This body lotion is very, very, very good. If you can't get this one, you can get the Dr. Davi vitamin C body lotion. It will also serve the purpose, but I will highly recommend this. This body lotion is going to brighten your skin, guys. It's going to give you this very brightening effect within just 2 weeks of using it. It doesn't lighten the skin, guys. A lot of us confuse lightening and brightening. It is not going to make you fair, but it is going to brighten your skin. Like, it's going to brighten your skin. It's going to give you that healthy look, that healthy matured look, not all those bleaching vibes. No, this is not a bleaching cream. It is just going to, brighten your skin and, even out your skin tone. Guys, I don't want to talk too much. I've reviewed this product in a particular video already. I'll be putting the link in the description. Just go and watch the review that I made. So you get this, and that is it. Or you get the Dr. Davi vitamin C body lotion. If you can afford the face facts vitamin C body lotion, it's still very good, but I will highly recommend this one. Lastly, you're going to be needing very good oil. We need something to lock in moisture, right? So you can get this Vaseline vitamin B3 oil. It is very, very nice, guys. You're going to love your skin, especially in this Harmattan season. This is going to help to do the job very, very well. If you can't afford this, get this particular Cussons Baby Oil. This will do the job very well. Or you get all those Disa vitamin C, turmeric, and other variants of the Disa oil that are out there. They are still going to do the job very, very well. Let's talk about this Eva Baby soap again, guys. This soap is very good. This soap contains almond oil and avocado oil. Like, I wish I knew this soap. Like, I wish I knew this soap a long, long time ago. I just started using it recently. I've been using the Cussons Baby Bar soap initially, but now that I've found this, guys, I don't think me and this bar soap were departing from each other anytime soon. So are you seeing the combo? This morning and night combo. That is all. This is 700 naira. This is 3,000 naira. You can even get it for 2,800 naira in some places. Just make sure that you buy the original one and pair it with, any of the oils that I mentioned earlier. Any good oil, guys, and then make sure you have a good body scrub. Once you do this, guys, you're going to see that your skin will become brighter. This Harmattan will not have anything on you. You're going to still look good on a budget. Like, if you calculate everything I mentioned here, you're not going to spend more than, let's say, 35 to 40,000 naira here. It might not even be up to 30,000 naira, like, because this is 12,000, this is 3,000, this is 700 naira in my hand. This is 12,000. If you can't get this, you can get this, right? And then this one is what? 8,000 naira. So guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Let me know which of these products you're going to be trying in the comment section, and let me know which one you're currently using and how has it been for you so far. Like, let me know, guys. I'll be in the comment section to reply and respond to all your messages, and feel free to ask any questions if you have any. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like this video, guys. Like this video for me. It's very, very important, and it means a lot to me. Don't forget to turn on your notifications so that anytime I upload new content like this, you'll be among the first people to be notified. See you guys in our next video. Bye.